Hello everybody. I am going to introduce to you the Snap Circuits kit, Snap Circuits Arcade. This set contains more than 35 parts and there are instructions to build over 200 projects. This version of Snap Circuits is my first Snap Circuits kit to film and put on YouTube, but I will demonstrate the individual projects in later videos. But for now, I'm going to explain to you what kind of parts the set has and examples of some of the projects you can build. This kit is aimed for ages 8 and up, is aimed for people. This kit is aimed for people ages 8 to 108. And it takes 3 AA batteries. Or, as what I hope to demonstrate in one of my later videos, you can use an AC adapter if you are not moving the projects around. But, with that said, I am going to get started. I'm not sure what project this is. It's one of the early projects, or it's early on in the manual. You find it near the beginning of the manual, but on the sides of the box there are some brief snapshots of other ones you can build, such as the light projecting arcade show and the programmable light fan. But you'll get to see how all the parts function in videos that show the individual projects. And I might do 10 projects per video, but I am going to open the box and show you the parts as well as the manual. There are 203 projects in all on this one booklet, and this is project 4 that is shown. So, yes, this is the same one as on the front cover of the manual, and I'm going to open it. And here they give some instructions on how to use your snap circuits. Now, they're very easy to use. Like my Smart Circuits kit, which I demonstrated not too long ago, you do not need any extra tools or hardware to use this set. Now, here are the different parts. I'll show you how they work. This is a disco motor, and you're going to find that to be pretty interesting. You have transistors, integrated circuits, LEDs, and even a fan, motor modules. And lastly, you have a microcontroller, which has 2 7-segment displays. Here are some important do's and don'ts. That way you know how to use your kit properly. Some important safety facts include checking your wiring before switching a circuit on, using switches in conjunction with other components to limit current. You certainly do not want to do short circuits. For instance, if you connect a solid conductor of electricity across the batteries, you could cause a short circuit which could damage your parts or even cause fire or personal injury. You can certainly build your own parts and even submit them to the Snap Circuits website. Never ever connect the parts to the electrical outlets in your home, because you may put yourself in danger. Here are some methods for testing the different parts and troubleshooting. It's always important, once again, to make sure that everything is assembled correctly, because you do risk damaging the parts and you have to replace them. The company is not responsible for that, so keep that in mind. Now here's the list of all the different projects. Obviously the basic ones are in the front of the manual, while the more advanced ones are in the back. And this is a typical diagram for each project. Plus, a make-believe person named Miss Snappy tells you some interesting facts about the parts, but I'm going to cover them when I demonstrate the individual projects. Once again, as you may have noticed, as the name of this kit suggests, this set allows you to build projects mainly relating to gaming and as well as light shows. So, with that said, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to demonstrating the projects real soon.